Hey guys, welcome to today's Vehicle Visionary tutorial. Today we're going to use this Mercedes-Benz GLS 63, and I want to tell you about something that is really cool if you like a cold start. It's kind of the ultimate cold start experience, and it's called emotional start. And here's all you have to do to make that happen. When you're sitting in the vehicle, of course, you go through your typical start process. You put your foot on the brake, but before you push the start button, you pull back on the left or right shifter paddle, the left, of course, being easier since the start button is to the right of the steering wheel. You're going to pull back on the left shifter paddle and push the start button, and here is what you get. I appreciate my friends at Mercedes-Benz of Shreveport for loaning me this GLS 63 for the day, and all of you for taking the time to watch. I hope this was helpful for you guys. If it was, make sure to smash that subscribe button, because when we hit 25,000 subscribers, I'm going to give away an Amazon gift card for $250. I look forward to seeing you in my next video.